Here's downloading the Snaptain S5C Elite app camera drone. So in the instructions, it has the QR code. So you would want to scan the QR code with your phone, iPhone or Android phone. And then as soon as you've scanned it, you're just going to have to open your camera and then just click on that yellow part. And then now it's gonna lead you to the app that you will need to download, which is the Snaptain FPV. So make sure you have that downloaded, and then as soon as you're done downloading, you're gonna open it up, and then here's the app. You just have to allow, click allow access. The Snaptain camera drone has its controller, but this is the phone. You need the phone to be able to see your view and to record or take photos. So this will be your app. Make sure that it's connected to your network. So you're gonna go to your phone settings and go to Bluetooth. And just wait a little bit. It's gonna go show the Snaptain app, and then you're gonna click on it. So what you're trying to do is you have to join the network. Your phone and your drone needs to be in the same network. So as soon as it's done, you're good to go. You can attach your phone in the drone controller, and when you attach your phone in the drone controller, it has to be opening the app. The app needs to be open, and this one I haven't attached it yet, but that's the camera already working. It's really clear. I will make another video of just views and pictures and photos, but this is what the purpose of your phone is. You can do snap, you can do a quick shot, a video, and then photos, and you can also control the rest of the drone. And here's the app overview of what you can control. Basically, you can control everything on the drone. On the top, there's the camera. There's the for photos, for video. You can click on one key, take off. So you'll just have to slide right, and then in the middle part of the phone, you'll see those are the controllers for going left, right, or going up and down. And then again with the photos, you can do a quick, just one shot or like a video, and then you can stop it from there. So make sure your phone is charged as well. On the side, there's other controllers there. On the top is where the one key take off is, and on the side you can actually calibrate the drone. That's the one key calibration. So you just have, I just wanted to show you that. But here, this is your controller, this is the drone, and so far it's showing me a clear video in HD. So let's see.